Hi everyone, I am S. Vijayalakshmi working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now let us discuss about a case study on generative AI in education. Now introduction, generative AI is becoming one of the most important technologies in the education sector. It helps students and teachers by generating learning materials, answering questions, creating assignments, and providing personalized learning experiences. Unlike traditional educational systems, generative AI can understand student needs and generate various content according to their learning levels. Many schools, colleges, and online platforms are now using the AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to improve the teaching and learning methods. And this case study explains how generative AI is transforming the education and improving the academic performance.
Discuss a case study on generative AI in education. In the background of study, traditional education method often follow the same learning process for every student. Even the student learn at a different speed and a different way. Teachers also spend a large amount of time to prepare notes, create quizzing papers, and correction assignment. Students sometimes struggle to understand the difficult topic because they do not receive immediate support. To solve this problem, education system started adopting generative AI system that provide personalized learning support, generate study materials, and automatic repetitive academic tasks. The introduction to the basic educational platform has created a most flexible and interactive learning environment.
Problem statement. In many educational institutes face several challenges such as lack of personalization, maintaining large number of classrooms, engagement, delayed feedback, and increased student teachers workload. Many students are unable to clarify their doubts instantly, especially during their self-study. Teachers also find difficult to manage each students when it comes to exam. And they also lack to give attention for each students particularly. The institution, uh, the institution in this case study wanted to implement a strong education system that could improve learning quality, reduce manual work, and support both students and teachers through AI-powered solutions. For this purpose, we are going to implement the solution on Zinni. Generative AI. The institution implemented a generative AI based learning platform that integrates AI chatbots, automatic content generation systems, and personalized learning tools. Students used AI chatbots to ask their doubts and receive an instant explanation for subjects such as mathematics, programming, and science. Teachers used AI tools to generate lecture notes, alignments, quizzes, and presentation within a minutes. The system also analyzed the students' performance data and generated a customized study plans according to each student's strength and weakness. Natural language processing techniques were used to understand the students' questions and provide meaningful responses in a simple languages. Learning experience. One of the major advantages of generative AI is personalized learning. The AI system continuously monitors student performance through quizzes, assignments, and learning activities. Based on this analysis, it generated customized study materials and recommended topics that required additional practice. Students who learn slowly receive simple explanations and additional exercises, while advanced students receive challenging tasks to improve their skills further. This adaptive learning approach is helpful for students to learn more effectively to their individual abilities.
Role of AI chatbot in education. AI chatbots played an important role in improving student learning experiences. These chatbots acted as virtual tutors that were available 24 by 7 to answer student questions. Students could ask doubt at any time and receive immediate response without waiting for teacher assistance. The chatbots also explained complex concepts using simple examples, generated some summarizes, and even helped students prepare for exams. This increased student confidence and encouraged self learning. AI chatbots also supported multiple languages, helping students understand lessons in their preferred languages.
Benefits of generative AI in education. The implementation of generative AI provided several benefits to the institutions. Teachers reduced the time spent on preparing educational materials and grading assessments. Students gained access to instant learning support and personalized educational resources. The learning process became more interactive and engaging because AI generated content include questions, visual explanations, and practice exercises. The institution also observed improved academic performance and increased student participation in classroom activities. Generative AI made education more accessible for students from remote areas by providing digital learning support through online platforms.
Action. Results and outcomes. After implementing generative AI, the institute observed significant improvements in both teaching and learning process. Student performance improved because learning received personalized support and faster doubt clarification. Teachers reported reduced workload and better classroom management. Assignment completion rate increased and students became more interested in learning interactive AI systems. The institute's focused and generative AI improved overall educational efficiency and created a more student-created learning environment. Future scope. The future of generative AI in education is highly promising. Advanced AI systems may soon provide fully automated virtual tutors, AI provided smart classrooms, and learning experiences using augmented reality and virtual reality. Future educational platform may also use voice-based AI assistant and emotional analysis system that can understand student emotions and provide motivational supports. As AI technology continues to develop, education institutions and expected to adopt more intelligent and adaptive learning systems.
Conclusion. Generative AI is transforming the education sector by making more learning and personalized, interactive, and efficient. It supports students through instant doubt clarification, customized learning materials, and intelligent educational assistance. At the same time, it helps teachers to reduce the workload and improve the teaching quality. Even though challenges such as privacy concerns and AI dependency exists, the responsive usage of generative AI can creatively improve the future of education. This case study shows that generative AI has the potential to create smarter and more accessible educational systems for students worldwide.